Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the mini player in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have a little bit of an overview of the app and some suggestions. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this, and then we tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. Then we tap on player, and here we scroll down, and under mini player time display we can customize what it is going to show. It's either the time remaining from the title that we are listening to, or it's time listened, so how much we have listened to that title. So it's the two sides of the progress. And yeah, we can also turn this resume play back on. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.